Hello everybody, today's video is just a really quick tutorial on how to get started with biometric time tracking using MotherClock's new facial recognition feature. So to start, you'll just want to jump into account and billing here and enter in a credit card and make sure that you are on the Essentials plan. Next, you want to jump into company settings and make sure this facial recognition toggle switch is selected on. As you can see here, it's off. Just give it a click and hit update. Once that's done, we can now leave the web application and jump onto our tablet time clock that we will be using for time tracking. Simply log in using your account info. So setting up employees is really simple using this software. Employees will just first need to put their face in front of the camera and just follow the directions. A menu will pop up, and here just hit register my photo. Next, this employee will just enter their 4-digit PIN. The system will then re-authenticate the employee, taking 3 photos at 3 different angles. And that's all. The system now recognizes this employee so they can clock into work quickly and safely.